Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Search. So I'm going to analyze for this week what is happening because this week, this Friday, was an interesting day, engulfing the previous week's action, complete previous week's price action. That's why it interested me to make the whole thing. Let us see what has happened in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex because all the three indices are responsible for the price action of the stocks too. So we should be aware of what is this. Same pattern, same thing, even on the Bank Nifty, even on the Sensex. Actually, if you see here, this is this block. I've enabled my Nalini EMA indicator where it gives you weekly high and lows and monthly previous month high and low. So this is exactly previous April month's high and April month low and May month high and May month low. Right? This is previous month low and this is June month. What has happened in Nifty is the Nifty is trading within the April month's high and low. Even the May month and June month, they are within the, so he is the master. This month candle is a master candle. Within this master candle, so much of drama is happening week on week. If we divide the month, see, if you divide the month, first May, from the first May, you can see week on week. May month week, so 1 week, second week, third week, and fourth week. This is the price action of the May month. What has happened in the May month is first week, second week, the market has broken down below the April's last week and everything. This is the area, demarcation area. So 23,008. Let me take out this label. So 23,811 is the break level. Let me put the label here. 23,811. Because we need to be aware of this. So the price has been compressed and expanded. It did not expand much. It came within the April months. See, all the price action, May, June, even though it has come down, all the price action is within the April months high and low. Now, 12th, in the month of June, 12th has been passed, and on Monday, 15th of June will come. So in this price action, see, if after the breakdown, 12th, and then it ran up to, you can see 1 week, 2 weeks. In the month of May, only if you see first week from the April, last week from the April, and the first week from the May were at the top. Here, in the month of June, see, it is May month, June. You can see this is the week, complete week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and another week, and this is the third week. You can see this is running from here. The high is here and low is here. Low is here, high is here. Weekly high. That means it was previous weeks, Mondays, Fridays. If I keep the cursor, this is May 26th high. Suppose if the market, this May 26th means previous month's level almost. Then who will be there in this? These are the writers sitting over here. Call writers sitting over here. And the month is compressed, complete. May, June is completely compressed and price action was near the low of the May month. Now, we don't know. See, actually, May month's high is almost here. Now, June month's low, it is the June month low. You must understand this. This is June month low and May month high. May month high, if we put a candle over here, from here, this is the peak of the May month. So let me put a candle up to this because this is the June month. Let us put 26, 20, already 29th of May. So this is the peak low. May month's complete price action is here. Within this May month, you are seeing this. And let us put a line over here. That means 23,306. 23,306. So this month, market has crossed in the month of June, around midweek of the June, the market has crossed the May month's low. This is low, as well as we can consider it as a June's low also. This is very important level. 23,306 is very important level. And if you consider this is the May month high and another peak is at 24,066. The end of May. Beginning of the May, this is the end of the May. Let me put what is the price? 24,066. 24,066. So the price action, what you are seeing is within this, see, this is the pullback. Within the May's high, let us not consider this is the maximum high made on the May month. Now, in the month of June, this is the low made on the May month. May month is here. So, June 26th, May month low is here. Okay. May month's low is here, corresponding to the low of the week. Then, you can see from June, 2 weeks have been passed. This is the third week. From the month, here you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See, all the lows are aligned here. Now, market in this week, market is trying to go to this level. That is, previous weekly high is placed at 23,000. Let me place a cursor, 23,738. 23,738. So the price action, if I stopped here, it extended here, and if we anticipate this move, measured move, or let me clone this. It may extend to 23,888. Will it be? So it may take time. The price action may go like this. It's an imbalance. This is completely imbalance. If it goes like this, if it reaches this target 23,738, and then if it even if it tries to extend up to 23,811, we can anticipate sideways movement in this. I am on the hourly chart. It can extend to 14, 15, and 16 this week. So we can anticipate the expiry within the range of, so bottom will be, so you need to know 23,500. I'm explaining it very slowly, forms the base for this week. And 23,800 to 700 forms the peak for this week. Already, market has climbed over here. It can compress. Compression can come over here. This is an engulfing candle. In this consolidation, it may again, so the price action will be within the 300 points. In the coming week, from after the expiry, market may stay within this range. And then later, we can see either downside move or the reversal. So you can see the entire week, the price action is compressed. So friends, you need to be careful. Actually, 14th, 15th, after that, last week will come. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, week will be over. And the last week of the month will start the next week. So the time will be spent completely. Probably the market may spend its time the whole month within the range of 23,018 to 23,300 or anything. So this is the price action prevailing here. Is it a reversal? No. This April month's high and low is the price action is compressed in the month of May as well as the June, and either if it starts moving above April only, we will get turnaround in the month. Turnaround means reversal in the month, or even if it starts making above the 24,567. That is the peak of the month. 24,567 is so this is the peak of the month. If you carefully observe May month, it has made an attempt to go to the top, and one more attempt, it is a lower high. And in the month of June, market has breached the May month's low, and now it is trying to attempt to this level. So this is the lower high, 24,066 to 24,106. So there is every possibility market can attempt to go up to 23,811. This is the level. If we push this, 23,836 or something. If I am not changing this. So we can anticipate this type of price action at a go to this level, and then compression, we need to see whether it is a breakdown. If it has to reverse, then price has to move above this May month's latest peak, 24,066. If we start moving that, then we can anticipate some sort of reversal in the market, but it is a compressed move what is happening in the market. So April, May, June. June is very, 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 very narrow range. You can see very, very narrow range. This is a wide range. Range between 24,496 to May month is 23,298. Almost 900 and odd points range here. And in this, from the May to the June, almost 700 to 800 points. 900, 800. Now the market is trying to pull back. So this is the price action, what it is going here. This is a common thing. Lower high, 24,477, 24,100, and now we need to see market is near the top, 23,811. So this is the price action. This is a fractal compression, expansion. April month's complete action is compressed in a. So this is a compression, imbalance, compression. We need to see whether the market will make one more down move, engulfing this, and then it may start going very swiftly. If it starts moving above this level, and if it halts at 23,500, then we can see very swift movement because the price is coiled. Price is coiled over here within a narrow channel. If I apply this, this is the channel. And if you see that this price action is not touch the channel, it is trying to, suppose if it starts moving, this is the channel high, 23,729. I hope you got the complete picture. You need to be ready for the July month, some sort of expansion. The way the market is moving away from the channel indicates that break up is likely, and the market may start crossing April month's peak and make a reversal attempt in the market. This is my anticipation because of the price action. See, if I put a channel over here, the market has not come to the channel low. Channel peaks were touched one, twice, thrice. This is the fourth attempt. It can be like this also. It can do like this. So we must be ready for the channel low also, 22,547, or either way it can go up. So the friends, the price action is very tricky. You need to be very, very careful. And if the market doesn't go cross the 23,811, and if it starts breaking below 23,500 and 23,300, that is a caution for this month. I'm not going in detail for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty price action is also the same. This is the month of April, May, and it is trying to move up to the top of the April month's high. This is a different type of price action, what you are seeing in the Bank Nifty, whereas in the Sensex, same type of price action. This is April, lower high in the month of May, and another lower high around the 26th May, that is 76, let me put it, yeah, this is the price. 76,626, and in this month, June month, this is the lower high, and we need to see whether the market is going to cross 75,927 to 67 is the caution area for you people. You need to be very careful. Okay, friends, this is the complete picture of month on month and week on week picture of the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty and the Sensex. I hope you will understand. We are in this Monday and Tuesday, we are near the caution zone on all the Bank Nifty, Sensex, as well as Nifty. So you need to be alert. You need to be alert. Do not forget. Remember all those levels. Mark all those levels. This is the entirely price structure or price behavior. Higher high, lower low, and lower highs are made in the since April month, it is continuing. So you need to be aware of that and you need to trade accordingly. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.